Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. The Silverado is featured in a Summit white paint finish. Under the hood we have a 5.3 liter V8 engine with a automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5 or 6 passenger seating on jet black cloth seating surfaces. In the front of the vehicle we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as our information system for a driver. Outside the vehicle we have black alloy wheels, a black assist step, soft rolling tonneau cover, as well as our spray-on bed liner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, as well as power windows and our rear window lock, storage in the rest of the door with our speaker in the front. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode, transfer case settings for our four-wheel drive, as well as our high mount lighting and interior and exterior lighting controls. Electronic parking brake is below. Seats throughout the vehicle finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. The center we have our information system that's controlled from this knob on the right hand side. Has trip computers as well as helpful information about the vehicle, and then a digital speedometer. Moving down to the left hand side of the steering wheel we have our cruise settings. Right hand side we have a column shifter behind as well as keyed ignition. Have our remote start as well as alarm and our powered tailgate in the center of our key fob. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle we have AM, FM, Sirius XM and Bluetooth. Phone connection, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Settings, we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both are wired. Trailer lights and OnStar services. Second page, we have backup camera with our adaptive as well as hitch guidelines. Below, we have our home button, back and forth, as well as power and volume, and then hands-free. Below that, we have our single zone climate, we have front and rear defrost, AC, and then fan controls across the top. Below that we have our downhill assist, powered tailgate functions, hazard lights, and traction control. Integrated brake controller in the center with a USB-C, USB-A, 12 volt, and 120 volt plug for charging. Moving to our center console, center seat combo, we have storage with 2 cup holders. Can open up into the back and we have more deep storage. If we lift up on the front, we can fold the seat up and lock it into place. Our release is just down the driver's side. We can just pull it forward. Both the center seat as well as passenger seat are finished in our same jet black cloth. Then lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have OnStar settings at the front, as well as our dome lights with dome lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, just before the front door, we have Z71 off-road badging. Front tire and rim, we have our beige black rim with a Chevy multi-center cap and all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors, black capped door handles, and a black assist step. All the way around near the back of the vehicle, corner bumper steps. All the way around at the back, we have Chevrolet etched into the tailgate, Silverado, and custom in chrome, as well as dual chrome exhaust tips and trailer tow hitch. Power tailgate in the center that we can just press a button and open into the back. In the bed of the truck, we have LED in-bed lighting, 3 cable tie downs in both the front and the back, spray-on bed liner, and then above we have our tonneau cover. Moving into the back of our crew cab, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have 2 vents in the bottom of our center console, all-weather rubber floor mats across the floor. Second row seat is a 60/40 folding bench finished in our jet black cloth. Lastly, if we lift up on the bottom of the seats, we can fold it up to make additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Trail Boss. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.